Hello everyone, welcome back. Resourceful Marcus here again. So I'm just going to be cooking some ribs today, pork ribs. Just going to be cooking up some pork ribs. Just getting them ready to get them in the oven here. Oven roast some pork ribs. How I can cut this to fit here. Cutting the bone a little bit harder than what I thought. And naturally, they put some of that junk in there too, eh? Some of this off somehow. I'm cutting all the bone. Whoops, sorry, I apologize for that. I accidentally shut the light off. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day, wonderful evening. Thanks for commenting, thank you for subscribing. Appreciate it if you share my YouTube channel. Appreciate it very much. I'll go this a different way here. It's not fun at the moment. I'm going to get this apart. Cutting myself. Just trying to make it shorter so I can get this in the oven. What I should do is put it over here and then I can just cut it here, hopefully. Real pain in the ruckus. Pardon my language. There we go. Alright. Alright. I need to pause this video for a sec. I gotta quickly clean my hands. Alright, so I got the ribs cut down to size to fit in the tray here. Okay, the baking tray. Now I need to get my barbecue sauce, some oil, just gonna lay some sauce on these things. That is what I'm going to do. I guess what I should do is just back over here for a moment. Being a little bit stubborn. Resourceful Marcus. Cooking some ribs in the oven. Get some of this meat to come off this, or give this part to my doggy. She'll love this as a treat. That's what I might end up doing, just giving that to her. See what happens here. And just putting some barbecue sauce on there. for Sweet Baby Ray's. Sweet Baby Ray's. So yeah, that part there, if I can't get that apart, that's going to be a beautiful treat for my fur baby. If I can't get it apart. Sauce to come out of his bottle. Is that gonna fit? Yeah. Come on, baby. Pain in the butt right now. Should have bought another bottle of that today. Probably going to be fun trying to get these apart. We'll see what happens. Let's see what happens. Come on, baby. I got enough left. Sucks. Just make up some with some ketchup and mustard here. You can see what I'm doing. I'm sorry about how the lighting's bouncing around. The sun's coming out and it's going back in. Yeah, that's going to have to do. The rest is stuck at the bottom of the bottle. I can't get any more out of it. I'll break the bottle. That will have to suffice. Alright, there we go. Pork ribs with some barbecue sauce on them. And we're going to cook these at 375 for an hour and a half. It'll be delicious. Yummy. Seal this up nice. There we go. Alright, so they're going to cook for 90 minutes. And I had to do the calculation by the weight. Okay. Alright, we're going to throw that in the oven. And then I will take a picture of the of it when it comes out. I'll take a picture of it. Alright, there we go. 90 minutes. Again, this is Resourceful Marcus. Thank you for everybody that watches my channel. I appreciate it very much. If you want to share my link, that would be wonderful. I thank you very much. I appreciate it. Appreciate everybody's time. Thank you for the wonderful comments. Alright, this is Resourceful Marcus. Thanks again for watching. I will see you again in the next one. When this is done cooking, I will take a picture of it to show you what it looks like. All right? Thank you again for watching my channel, everyone. Everybody have a wonderful day, wonderful evening. See you again. This is Resourceful Marcus signing off for now.